So this is a 2-pack of little penlights. They're UV black lights and they run off of 2 AAA batteries. The brand name is WORKPRO and the model number is W139026A. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, it would cost you $12 for the 2-pack. All right, in the box we have another internal packaging with a sealed bag and then a cardboard divider that will keep these 2 flashlights separated. Now, the 2-pack and the flashlights are essentially identical. There's no instructions included, but I'm going to just guess that you unscrew this to install your AA or AAA batteries. They do come with AAA batteries installed. There's a nice little graphic here that says, hey, put these in with the plus side facing the front of the flashlight. And they do come with these Everbright AAA batteries pre-installed. There's a rubber gasket there, looks like aluminum threading, and there is a little piece of plastic here to keep those batteries from being accidentally turned on in the flashlight and going down and shipping. So you will have to remove the base to remove that little piece of protective plastic before you can turn these on. And there's a little clip here as well, so when you put this on, that clip will kind of rotate around the body. There's a purple light here. I push it and we get light shining up. There's enough visible light there that you can tell, hey, there's light going on here, but it is also supposed to have UV black light components. Now, one of these flashlights with the batteries installed weighs 1.2 ounces or 35 grams. There's nothing printed on the box or the flashlights to tell me the wavelength here, but the listing says this is 365 nanometer UV light. Obviously, there's some visible light spectrum coming out as well. So one of the potential uses here is verifying currency, and you can see the yellow fluorescence in that security band. So it also causes the fluorescent elements of identification cards to show up. So here's a dimly lit closet, and these white Velcro patches show up very well when I shine this thing on. So, you know, anything in the clothing here that has white things that will get, you know, lit up, this guy does a really good job of making it fluoresce. So like these socks here, the Smart Wool pops a whole bunch when you light this over it. Now this is a room with direct window to the outside. You can definitely see things fluorescing here. So it looks like as long as you're not like out in daylight, you should be able to use this to detect fluorescent objects in indoor environments. Alright, so this guy works just fine for lighting things up. Obviously it's a penlight. It's not, you know, super bright and having super long throw, but anything you're holding in your hand is just fine. I'm interested in seeing how does it do with UV curing resin. So I'm going to hit this UV curing resin with this guy. I'm just going to, you know, hit it there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say 6 seconds or so, and it has not yet cured. It was bubbling. There was like a shell on it, but it had definitely, you know, I pushed it down. I could maneuver that around and push it down. Now it does appear that this guy's getting a little harder at this point. So yeah, now it's definitely harder. So it looks like you can cure UV resin with this light, but it's going to take a decent amount of time. So like right there, you know, this is solid, it's holding its shape, it's not sticking to the toothpick. So you can cure UV resin with this guy, but more than, you know, just 4 or 5 seconds. It's really going to be, you know, put it on there for 30 seconds or so to cure it. And if you want this to be super hard, you might have to stay there for a minute or two. So this guy works just fine for lighting up identification cards, doing detection on currency. If it's an indoor environment, you can shine it around and see anything with a fluorescent or UV light. So it's strong enough for most visual inspections type jobs. And you know, the price point here is basically $6 per flashlight. So I could see, you know, if you're, you know, a nightclub or someplace you need to buy a whole bunch of these for all of your bouncers, you know, you might buy several of these 2-packs for that type of a situation. It's nice and lightweight. You can have it in a shirt pocket or keep it in your work belt. And you know, anytime you need to detect anything that might fluoresce under UV light, it's there and ready for you.